Thinking about homeschooling in Florida, but the rules feel like a maze? You are not alone. It is normal to feel overwhelmed when staring at state laws and curriculum catalogs.
But here is the good news. It is actually very doable.
You are looking at a roadmap, not a trap. Take a deep breath.
Florida is widely recognized as one of the most parent-friendly states for homeschooling in the entire country.
The legal requirements are straightforward. The paperwork is manageable.
And the freedom you gain is absolute. In this guide, I will walk you through exactly how to navigate this process for 2026.
Step by step, even if you are starting from zero right now. By the end of this, you will know the legal essentials, the paperwork,
and how to stay organized without losing your peace of mind.
We are going to strip away the confusion and make this simple. You have the right to direct your child's education,
and the path forward is clearer than you think. Let us begin.
Let us start with the big picture. The most effective path is the standard home education program.
This choice grants you the freedom to curate your own curriculum and set your own rhythm while meeting state standards.
It is the most reliable way to begin. Your first concrete step is filing your notice of intent with your local school district superintendent. This is not a complex legal brief. It is a simple, direct letter stating your intent to establish a home education program. You must include your child's name, your current home address, and a clear statement of your intent. Once you mail or email this document, your homeschool program officially begins. Do not skip this. If your child is currently enrolled in a public school, you must contact their office to withdraw them properly. Keep the interaction professional and brief. You are not required to justify your choice or explain your reasons to the administration. Send the withdrawal notice, retain a copy for your personal records, and move forward. By completing these two actions,
you secure your legal foundation and officially step away from the public system. You have taken control of the process, and the path is now open for you to define your own educational standards. Now that the paperwork is behind you, welcome to the part that actually matters, your curriculum.
You are no longer tethered to a single state-mandated style. Whether your child thrives on classic textbooks,
interactive online programs, or hands-on unit studies, the choice is entirely yours. Start with the 4 pillars: math,
reading, science, and history. Do not fall into the trap of buying every resource you see. Keep your materials simple and manageable. Once you have your resources, build a routine that serves your specific life, not someone else's. Forget the rigid 8-to-2 public school schedule.
Some families find their flow in 3 hours of focused work. Others prefer to spread lessons throughout the day or even into the evenings.
Consistency is the engine of learning, not the clock on the wall.
Your goal is to create a rhythm that integrates education into your home life without friction. You are the architect of this environment.
By tailoring the materials and the schedule to your family, you stop trying to replicate a classroom and start fostering genuine engagement.
The transition from a legal requirement to a living, breathing, learning environment begins today. You have the tools, the authority, and the freedom to make this work exactly how you want.
Now, we must address the reality of compliance. Freedom in education requires a foundation of order to protect your family from future stress. Florida state law mandates that you maintain 3 specific items: a log of educational activities, a portfolio of work samples, and a cumulative reading list. Do not let these requirements pile up until June. Purchase 1 sturdy binder for each child. Every Friday, take 5 minutes to drop 3 to 5 samples of completed work into that binder. It is a small, mechanical habit that effectively guards your peace of mind. Beyond daily logging, you must prepare for the annual evaluation to prove educational progress. This is your checkpoint. Put this date on your calendar today. Set a recurring alert for 3 months in advance, so you have ample time to arrange a portfolio review or a standardized test. If you wait until the last minute, you invite unnecessary anxiety. Stay organized, keep your records tidy, and maintain a clear file of every document you send to the district. If a question ever arises, you will not have to scramble. You will have the evidence of your progress ready and waiting. This is not just paperwork. This is your insurance policy, ensuring that your home education program remains as secure as it is flexible.
You have the roadmap, the tools, and the legal framework to begin.
If you are ready to launch your home education program in 2026, follow these 4 steps. File your notice with the district. Withdraw your child from their current school. Select your materials.
And document your daily progress. It is that simple. You do not have to walk this path in isolation. Find your tribe. Seek out local co-ops, library reading programs, or online community forums where you can exchange ideas and support.
Connecting with other families will provide the perspective and encouragement you need when challenges arise. Homeschooling in Florida does not have to be an intimidating maze.
It is a manageable, rewarding journey that puts you in the driver's seat of your family's development. If this guide provided the clarity you needed, hit the like button and subscribe for more targeted tips. Drop a comment below with your single biggest question about the process, and I will answer it directly in the next video. You are ready to start. Take that first step today and secure the education your children deserve.